That's why you get two magnets on the side.
There's another bullet.
Jesus. No more videos for Austin.
There you go. That works.
Did you ball that tip?
You don't have to ball it.
It helps.
You don't have to, but it helps.
But it helps. Not sponsored.
Pretty good tack.
Well, lay down some beads at least. Try to just start throwing some welds before you start on that. I cut too well.
You cut too well.
Yeah, I cut it too well. That's a one-time job. I want you to be done with it.
Damn it.
Make sure you get oriented in this time. It's right here.
Yeah, mouth though.
What that mouth do? Okay, so we're going to come off of this throttle body, 90 basically, and then we're going to come off to
Bing, bing.
another 90, right? And then it's going to go into our front mount.
How far are you going to cut that back though?
I don't know, because this might actually work better without being cut. Let's find out.
Jesus, how far are you? Here you go.
I need the coupler. I don't know, that went on there pretty easy. Mike, what do you think?
I think it went pretty good.
Yeah, it's already been lubed.
Yeah, whatever.
This is on fire now.
It's fine.
Nick already spit on it.
I was gonna say muscles just got it, that's all.
No, it's lubed for sure. Lubed for Paul's pleasure.
Perfect. Look at that angle.
Look at that.
Bend it like
You could actually cut it back a little bit if you want. Maybe just take a quarter inch off, half inch off it, tuck it back a little bit more.
I
It's
think
because
it's fine right there.
I think that's
No,
good
'cause-
right there.
look at this. Unless
Because
you're gonna be right at the bend. That's what I'm trying to
Because the
say.
radius, yeah.
That's why you'd want to bring it back a little bit. 'Cause
You
I
don't
already
have
noticed.
to do that. You could literally cut here a little more and it would literally sit right.
No, it's still gonna have a radius.
No, you'd be fine. Just
Yeah, because you want this to come in. You don't want the coupler on the
yeah, you would just
bend here, so you want this to be probably at least here.
yep.
That's fairly simple. Cool.
Yeah, so we'll,
Well, we're gonna take quarter inch off of that, and then do you want to mock up off of this, or you just want to lob and just guess?
well, we could do like we did the intercooler. Drill twice, measure once.
Sounds good.
Cool, let's do that.
Window twins activate. Oh,
Yes.
There you go, Mike.
All of our powers combined.
Okay. Full coupler.
Mike's not old enough to get our...
No, he actually had his fist out there ready to be bumped, and you just denied.
You Tom Brady'd me.
Tom Brady.
That's kind of funny because we are car guys, and him and I agree. We're non-sports related.
That's okay.
Can you get it off? Let's see, pull it off. I thought he was having troubles getting it off. Yeah, it's because it's lubed, Paul.
Look at that,
Yeah,
right off.
lubed. Okay, so
We literally don't need to take off much.
I know it should do about a quarter inch.
You don't measure that.
Just file it.
We didn't measure anything on mine.
Like a ½ inch.
Sounds good to me. That should be good about there.
You want to
You're
move?
live.
Nick, you want to move that Allen behind it?
I'm not doing anything yet. I'm just trying to figure it out. Right about there, Polly?
Yeah, looks good to me. So, you need a PPE.
That's his hand.
I don't know what PPE is.
Personal
Protective equipment.
I understand. I was joking.
Personal protective equipment.
That should be good.
Where's our mask?
right here hanging.
Jim Carrey has it.
Ooh, yes. Great movie.
Yeah, look there where you
Oh, wow, this thing is just ridiculous.
Mm-hmm.
Did it mess up my hair?
No,
Hair so
no. Still looks good.
Okay. You guys ready? Don't forget, get your face shields on.
Face shields.
Okay, there you go. Does this move a lot?
No.
I've never touched
you
it
clamp it?
before.
And make sure. Gotta love that clean cut right there. And we, yeah, catch that bag on fire. This is why you should always clean up your area.
Yeah.
Jeez, Nick.
Fall.
Big
Hey, I made sure to let it cut.
Oh, bubbles.
This thing, ooh, that's nice and warm.
Good, it needs to be warm to be welded, but.
Yeah, that's the fruit.
It uses,
Mike.
if you actually file that first, Nick,
What?
it works a little bit better than using that. If you file first.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Learn
Something
that.
like this?
No, with the hand
real
file.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was gonna utilize that.
Mike, we should tell everybody.
Really?
Tell everybody, we do have proper fire extinguisher. At least it's a fire extinguisher. I'm not exactly sure if it's the proper one or not.
We think there's still stuff in it.
Oh, there's still stuff in it, but I don't know. We're still trying to be safe. Did you get it?
Nope.
That's not the proper way to use that.
Yeah, I know that's over there.
Alright, so we've got it all, well, this piece all fancied up. Should go in there, sit just like that basically. And hopefully, if we measured our one time and cut 13, it's like a bird, then you cannot quit.
I didn't do it. Can I get a Bronco?
Mm-hmm. Can I get an amen?
Amen.
Might be able to.
Look at that. Look at that. This is why we keep Austin around.
Sure. I mean, it's not bolted in yet, but it's got a little bit of play, which is what you want. I think we got us an intercooler pipe, fellas.
Good man. Well, I guess, we might be waiting on a coupler.
Till next time.
Like,
Comment.
Subscribe.
and
Austin,
Austin?
what's the thing that you have to ring?
The bell like.
Woo! Ring that bell.
the enthusiasm, I love it.
Yeah, we're trying with him. But yeah, next time I guess we'll figure out what we're gonna do with this and then tackle some wiring. I'm guessing, huh? Because there ain't much left with this intercooler piping.
Nope.
Just that bend or coupler, and that's it. And then when it comes to the wiring, it's literally going to be all him. We're going to stand around with thumbs in our butts because we're going to be learning also. Definitely not my forte.
I already learned.
Not my forte in any way, shape, or form. It's him. I understand what needs to be done, but when it comes to doing a lot of it
will be done off camera.
yeah, I'll learn from him because once you get the Supra engine and the Camaro, there's going to be a lot of wiring, making sure everything's going.
It's a
that I
lot
don't
of tedious
understand.
stuff too. That I mean, a lot of it has to be done
Yeah.
off-site.
And as they always say, you don't always get everything you want to get done in a video.
Ain't that the truth?
So, sorry it's so short. Sorry we didn't get a lot done. But, by the way, Happy New Year. Hope everybody has an amazing 2019. Hope it treats you well,
Ours is going to be great.
prosperous, awesome.